ओके, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे एस बैंक क्वार्टर टू रिजल्ट के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, ये है moneycontrol.com की वेबसाइट्स। चलिए, मनी कंट्रोल न्यूज़ अक्टूबर 2022। एस बैंक क्वार्टर टू रिजल्ट नेट प्रॉफिट स्लाइड्स 32% to rupees 153 crore. Total income during quarter two final year 23 however was higher at rupees 6,394.11 crore as against rupees 5,430.30 crore in the same period a year ago, as bank said in a regulatory filing. Okay. Money Control News October 2022. Okay, nil claim by 31.7 year on year to rupees 1,991.4 crore. Okay. Representative image. Okay. And trade by 16.05. Current market price with a target price 100. As well, net profit in the 3-month period ending September 30, 2022 dropped by 32.2% year on year to rupees 152.8 crore. As per the standalone financials result for the quarter released on October 2022, in the corresponding period of the past fiscal, the private lenders' net profit stood at rupees 225.50 crore. Apart from an on-year dip, the net profit is also lower as compared to the last quarter. The bank's net profit had stood at rupees 310.63 crore in quarter 1, final year 23. Total income during quarter 2, final year 23, however, was higher at rupees 6,394.11 crore as against rupees 5,430.30 crore in the same period a year ago, as bank said in a regulatory filing. Okay. The net interest income NII climbed by 31.7 year on year to rupees 1,991.4 crore as compared to the 1,512.2 crore last year. I repeat, 1,512.2 crore last year. Okay, the lender also improved on its assets quality and brought down gross non-performing assets NPAs or bad loans to 12.89% of gross advances as of September 30, 2022 as against 14.97% by end of September 2021. Okay, likewise, net NPAs come down to 3.60% from 5.55%. However, provisions for bad loans and contingencies were raised to rupees 582.81 crore for quarter 2 final year 23 from rupees 377.37 crore kept aside of quarter 2 final year 2022. Okay. Okay, so guys, S Bank quarter 2 result net profit slides 32% to rupees 153 crore. Total income during quarter 2 final year 23, however, was higher at rupees 6,394.11 crore as against rupees 5,430.30 crore in the same period a year ago, as bank said in a regulatory filing. Money Control News, October 2022. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.